Now page number 73 of Act 2 Scene 2 part number 6. Now here, thus with my hat and sigh and say Amen, use all the observance of civility like one well studied in a sad ostent to please his grandma. Never trust me more. He say, if I will not close my eyes by placing my hat and say Amen in front of the people, okay, I will use all the manners of civility, means manner of civilized society, observing all the manners like the one who has learned to put in appearance to please his grandmother. If I do not follow all these things, do not trust me again. It means Bassanio makes assure that he will be very soft and sober, and he will carry his prayer book in his pocket. He will say Amen, Amen, okay, by closing his eyes, and he will use all the manners of society, okay, that one do to please his grandmother. And he will do all to do this. If he doesn't do such things, never trust him again. Bassanio, well, we shall see you bearing. Well, we shall watch your behavior. Nay, but I bar tonight. You shall not gauge me. But what we do tonight? He say, no, but I should be exempted tonight because we are with our friends. Nay, but I bar tonight. No, but I should be excused tonight. You shall not gauge me. You shall not judge me by what we do tonight. Bassanio, no, that were pity. It would entreat you rather to put on your boldest suit of mirth, for we have friends that purpose merriment. But fare you well, I have some business. No, it would be pity to do that. I request you to be in your happiest mood, for we have friends tonight. Okay, I would entreat you rather to put on your boldest suit, your normal behavior, your happiest mood, because we have friends today and we have to entertain them. Well, goodbye, fare you well, I have some business. Bassanio, and I must be Lorenzo and the rest, but we will wish you at the supper time. Okay, now I must join Lorenzo and the rest, but we will see you at the supper time. Clear? But the supper time is the evening meal time. Now act number 2 and scene number 3, last scene in your syllabus. Venice. It takes place in Venice, a room in Shylock's house. Enter Jessica and Lancelot. Now we have come to Lancelot has decided to leave Shylock. Okay, he has come here again to say goodbye to him. Jessica is daughter of Shylock, and she talks to Lancelot at the last moment here. I'm sorry thou will leave my father's so. Okay, I regret that you are leaving my father's service. Our house is a hell, and thou a merry devil. Our house is like a hell, and you have been a merry devil in it. Okay, and that didst rob it some taste of tediousness, and you have taken out all sort of boredom from my house. Okay, you have been a merry devil, and that reduced some of the boredom. Okay, but fare thee well, there's a ducat for you. For fare thee well, fare you well, there's a ducat, a small coin for you, Lancelot. Soon at supper shall thou see Lorenzo. In the supper time you will see Lorenzo, who's thy new master guest, who's your new master guest. Give him this letter, do it secretly. Now Jessica gives a coin and a letter to Lancelot to give it to Lorenzo. Coin for doing the service, but letter to be given to Lorenzo, who is his new master servant. Give him this letter, do it secretly, and so farewell. I would not have my father see me in talk with you. I don't want that my father should see us talking to each other. Lancelot, adieu. Tears exhibit my tongue, most beautiful pagan. Okay, so here goodbye. Tears prevent me from speaking, most beautiful pagan. Okay, he calls her a pagan. Then, most sweet Jew, if a Christian do not play the knave and get the I am much deceived, he say I will feel, my dear Jewess, goodbye. I will feel cheated if a Christian is going to play dishonest with you. Okay, knave, get thee, and I am much deceived, but adieu those foolish drops to somewhat drawn my manly spirit. Okay, but goodbye, these foolish tears somehow dampen my manly courage, like shakes my manly courage. Again, beta, here he calls her, he says that he takes leave from Jessica. Okay, and says goodbye to her. He say I will feel cheated, okay, if you are received by or if you are cheated by a Christian. But goodbye, these foolish drops, these foolish tears are shaking my, or are making me weak here. Jessica, farewell, good Lancelot. Allah, what heinous sin is it in me to be ashamed to be my father's child? Okay, she says, what a terrible sin it is for me to feel ashamed to be the daughter of my father. I feel so ashamed to be called my father's daughter. It is a sin to say, to think that, to feel sorry to be called her father's daughter. But thou I am a daughter to his blood. He say, undoubtedly, though I am a child, I am his child by blood, but I do not have his manners. Oh Lorenzo, if you keep your promise, I shall end this struggle, become a Christian and thy loving wife. Are you clear, beta? Jessica feels sorry, feels bad, feels, actually she said it is a sin to feel ashamed to be the daughter of my father. Though I am daughter by his blood, I do not have his habits, manners. Oh Lorenzo, keep your promise so I can end this struggle, conflict by becoming a Christian and your dear wife. Children, we have finished all the 3 scenes of act number 2 and do revise it. Our syllabus for Merchant of Venice is left. Now we are only left with one story that I will finish in the next video.